Do you want to know how you can rename your file on Speechify? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can rename your files on Speechify. So let's go ahead and start with the video. The first step is to open any type of browser on your PC. The second step is to open Speechify.com. The third step is to log into your account. After you have logged into your account, you can see this type of interface. So go ahead and record an audio or write something and you can see this type of files over here. Let me teach you how you can rename it. You can see this file over here. Go ahead and click on its settings, which is the three dots. Click on it and you can see the rename option. Tap on it and you can see the file name. So you can go ahead and write down whatever you want or write down the particular function or description of the text or audio which you have recorded. So let's go ahead and give it a name. After you write down or rename it, go ahead and click submit and you can see that the file name will be renamed successfully. Let me teach it to you once again. Open Speechify, log into your account, and these are your files. Go ahead and click on the file which you want to edit and click on rename. Once you click rename, you can remove the previous name of the file and write down a new name or rename it and click on submit. After you do that, you can see that the item has been renamed successfully. I hope this video about how you can rename a file on Speechify was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.